안녕 guys, let's try some examples. So we put into practice what we've been learning. I will recommend you to writing little notes on the side until you get used to using those initial of classification. So natural number is a N, whole number as a W, and integer is a Z, and rational number is Q, and irrational is I, and real number is R. So number one, -10 is, since it has a negative sign, it is integer. Integer is also rational and also real number. And square root 30. So square root 30, you can break it down as 6 times 5. And you cannot find any perfect square number, so we cannot break down more. This should be irrational number with the I, and that means it's a real number as well. Next one, it's a fraction, so if you can write it number as a fraction form, that is rational number, and rational number is also real number. And next one, 24 over 8 will be 3 over 1, which is a 3. So that is a natural number, whole number, that means integer, and rational, and also real number. Next one, 2.48. We can be writing 248 over 100, and you can simplify as well. So since we can writing in fraction form, that will be rational and also real number. So negative square root 81, we can be writing that negative square root 9 square. So what happens when you have a square root and square, that will cancel out. So that's become -9, right? So that means it's integer with a negative sign, so it will be Z. And integer is also, that's right, rational number and also real number. Alright. Pi minus pi, which will be 0. Which one will be include 0? You're right. Whole number, integer, rational, and real number. So far so good. And 16 is a square, perfect square of 4. So it will be 4. And 25 is a perfect square of 5. So 4 over 5. Since that's fraction, it is rational number and also real number. And 0.15 and 15 is keep repeating. That will be, that's right, that will be rational number, oops, Q, and real number. The next one, 109, is natural number, whole number, integer, rational, and real number. And next one is a negative sign with fraction form, so that will be rational number and real number. Alright, you have a same exact number and sign, top and bottom, that will be equal 1. 1 is natural, whole number, integer, rational, and real number. So except irrational, it's all included. Hopefully those examples are helpful to you to try yourself. on next part. Please try completed all questions so you can check your answers or maybe some mistakes tomorrow in class. Have a great day, guys. 안녕.